Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny skit, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we will show you how to make it happen. Don't let your audience stay hidden. Let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. So firstly, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Right now you have just to But firstly, you have just to create your account on YouTube if you don't have it. If you don't already have an account, you have just to link your email address and you will get started with youtube.com. So right now, all you have to do to upload your short video, you click over here and you upload a video here and top right. Then also we have other options like go live, create a post as well. So firstly, just to create a vertical videos that's under 60 seconds, sign into YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your videos. Select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags, including hashtag shorts. Adjust the visibility settings to your preference, then click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with your viewers. All I have to do right now is just click over create and you click over upload videos and you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. So let's just wait it for. So here we have it. Right now we'll just click over continue and then we have here drag and drop video files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. Also here we have other things like the themes and the community guidelines. You have just to read it to understand. I will select the files here as you can see. For example, here we have it. It's a test and I will click over open here and here we have my short videos. Right, so I will just right now follow the steps if I want to select or upload a video from my PC. So I will just select here the title. For example, I will write, for example, I will just write text, for example. I will let it text. Then I will add description here. You can just go to the ChatGPT and you have to copy your and you have to copy it and paste it here as you can see. Alright, here we have our videos here and I will just add a description as I said and I will select here the thumbnail view, set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers attention. If you want here upload file, auto-generated or test and compare, then you have here the playlist. Add your video to one or more playlists to organize your content for viewers. I will just select here if I want, for example, create playlists and here we have done also. Then here we have the audience in this video made for kids. Regardless of your location, you're legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. I will just click over yes or no. I will just click over no. Then here we have show more as you can see. Age restriction here and we have here paid promotion. And also we have here altered content. You have just to read this information, then you have to answer. The intent of the following describe your content. Then we have here also other things, and I will select here video language. I'll select the video language. I select here English, then caption certification. You can just select the only one. This content has never aired on television in the US. This content has only aired on television in the US or other things. So I will just let it know one. Then I will just recording data and location here. Recording data, I will select the date and video location as well. And here we have the license. You have to select Creative Commons attribution or standard YouTube. Then you have other things here and you click over next. Once you click over next, you will find the second one, which is video elements. Use cards and any end is going to show viewers related to videos, websites, and calls to action. Then you have just to add subtitles here, and you add it if you want. Then you have add cards. Then you click over next, and we have here the option of checks. So we will check your video for issues that may restrict its viewability, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. Then we'll click over next, and we have here visibility. Save or publish. If you want to make it private, only you and people you choose can watch your video. Listed. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. Public. Everyone can watch your video. And we have here scheduling. Select a date to make your video public, and we have here before you publish, check the following. Two gates appear and you click over save. As you can see, you have disabled as some from files have, so let's just waiting. Alright, I'll make it, for example, private. And here we have welcome to YouTube Studio, and you click over continue. So here we have it, as you can see. So as you can see here, we have the test here. And right now let's just go into the shorts, and I will just scroll down. I will click over upload video, and I will select the files. Then I will scroll down and I will select here test. Then I will click over open. Then I will get started with this one. Alright, so for now I will just here add a description. Terminal is upload file or auto-generated or test and compare. And about the playlist, you can add your video to one or more playlists to organize your content. Audience as well, you can just select it and then you click over next. Then we have here visibility. Then we have here checks, as you can see, like copyright here, and then we have here next. And about this one, you have just to select here if you want to private, enlisted, public. For example, I will just click public, or I will click private. Then you have your scheduled, and also we have before you publish, check the following to get appear in this video or something like that. Then you click over save. As you can see, then you will find your videos is uploading. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. So it's very easy to upload a video or a short videos on YouTube. You have just to get started by following the steps, and see you again in the next video.